What's up friends? This is Sanket and I welcome you all to Jogger Dada, Bengal's first food and fitness channel. One thing that you all might have noticed that I emphasize more on healthy snacks. Snacks are the meals when we tend to cheat and that makes us more fat. So today again I have a healthy snack recipe for you. That's Masala Oats Chilla or Oats Pancake as you all might call it. And before we start cooking, one more important tip from me. Invest in a non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookwares help utilize lesser oil and you can get more healthy food. Friends, if you are new to the channel and do not want to miss out on any of the updates from Jogger Dada, I would suggest you subscribe to the channel and you can also follow me on my social media handles. Step 1. Dry roast the oats until it's light brownish. And I will make a fine powder of this oats later. I am taking this dry roasted oats into the mixer grinder to make it into a fine powder. So I have the ingredients ready for oats chilla or oats pancake. Chopped onions, tomatoes, salt, chopped ginger, chopped chilies and powdered dried roasted oats. First I will mix the oats in a bowl. Salt as per taste. Now I will gradually add in the masala for the oats. Chopped onions, ginger, tomatoes. My batter is ready. You can see the consistency, not too flowing and not too thick. Okay, now let's head towards the kitchen. We will take some olive oil, small amount. This is a brinjal stem and I will use this to brush the oil lightly throughout the pan. This evenly distributes the oil. Now time to distribute the batter. Small pancakes evenly distributed. and I will cover this with the lid and keep this covered for 2 minutes. Nice. Again covering it. Yes, and the first one is ready. Oats chilla, you may call it. You can have it with ketchup or any type of chutney of your wish. It's healthy with 1/5 or 1/6 teaspoon of olive oil.